If you've been researching ways to grow your retirement savings, you may have come across something called the Backdoor Roth IRA. But what exactly is it, and how can it benefit you? Well, if you're a high-income earner, this could be a game changer for you, especially if you've been frustrated by Roth IRA contribution limits. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through how to execute the Backdoor Roth IRA strategy step by step and help you maximize your retirement savings. And trust me, you're going to want to know this before the end of the year, as it could save you significant tax money long term. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and securing a financial future that's built to last, check out the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. This is an essential resource for anyone looking to diversify their portfolio and secure their hard-earned money. All right, let's start with the basics of the Backdoor Roth IRA. The standard Roth IRA allows you to contribute after-tax money and grow it tax-free, but there are income limits to who can contribute. If you earn over a certain threshold, $138,000 for single filers or $218,000 for married couples, you can't contribute directly to a Roth IRA. That's where the Backdoor Roth IRA comes in. It's a legal loophole that allows high-income earners to contribute to a Roth IRA even if they don't qualify based on income limits. The first step is to contribute to a traditional IRA. You can contribute up to $6,500 in 2023 or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. The contribution to this account is tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on it now, which gives you some immediate tax benefits. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll want to convert your traditional IRA into a Roth IRA, which is the backdoor part of the strategy. The conversion allows your money to grow tax-free in the Roth IRA moving forward. The key here is to execute the conversion quickly. If you leave the money in the traditional IRA for too long, you could face a tax bill on any gains, so it's usually recommended to convert it to a Roth IRA right away, as soon as the contribution hits the account. When you perform this conversion, be aware of one thing. The IRS will tax you on any pre-tax money in the traditional IRA that you convert. If you're contributing after-tax dollars, though, and there's no growth in the account before conversion, there shouldn't be any tax consequences. At this point, you're probably asking, why does this matter? And how does it compare to other retirement options like a gold IRA? A gold IRA is a great option because it lets you invest in precious metals, protecting you from the volatility of the stock market and inflation. Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred growth as well, but they also offer the security of a physical asset. In comparison, a backdoor Roth IRA gives you tax-free growth, but you're still exposed to market risks. If you're looking to take full advantage of both strategies, you can combine a backdoor Roth IRA with a gold IRA, further diversifying your wealth and protecting your retirement. Gold's long-term value stability, especially in times of economic uncertainty, makes it a perfect hedge for the more volatile aspects of your portfolio. So now that you understand the process, let's talk about timing. If you're serious about maximizing your retirement, this is something you should act on before the end of the year, as contribution deadlines for the current tax year can sneak up on you. Also, if you have a significant amount saved in your IRA or 401k, the Backdoor Roth IRA can be an especially powerful tool. This strategy is ideal for retirees with 100k plus, or even up to 5 mem plus in savings, as it allows you to move large sums into tax-free growth. To wrap things up, the Backdoor Roth IRA is a simple but powerful strategy for high-income earners looking to save on taxes and build long-term wealth. But remember, it's important to act quickly and efficiently to avoid any unnecessary taxes. And if you're ready to protect your wealth and take your retirement savings to the next level, don't forget to check out the link in the description for your free guide on gold IRAs. This strategy is especially perfect for American retirees who are looking to preserve their wealth. So if you have over 100k in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 million plus in savings, this could be the move you need to secure your future. Thanks for watching, and remember, strategic planning now can lead to financial peace of mind later.